How to log in into your Milestone Credit Card account. Let's get started. For that, first of all, inside here, you want to go ahead and simply open up your browser. In the search bar, you can go ahead and simply search for Milestone Credit Card website and you will land in their official page. Inside here, scroll down to My Account, tap onto it, and just like that, you will land in their login page. And then inside here, you want to go ahead and simply tap on Login into our secure server and just like that, enter your username and password. After entering your login details, you can simply tap on Login to access your account. But if you are a new user, you can simply tap on Register your account and follow the on-screen instruction. If you forgot your username or password, you can simply tap on this and then simply click on the recovery link and follow the steps to reset your information. Once logged in, you can review statements, make payments, check your account activity, and manage your card settings. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.